Hi, I'm Kevin Wong. I'm from Indonesia, but I have two apartments in Singapore. I'm a CEO and founder of CryptoNet. I also have 10 properties, and my parents paid for my college education. Hey, I'm Hitel Patesh. We learn about the minds of creative industries. I've trained 25 billionaires all across the world with my open mind technique, and they make billions of dollars a month. Hey, yeah, I'm Terrence Claw. We do drop shipping. Tons of drop shipping. I'm a millionaire by 27. I have 2 penthouses. I got 5 Bentleys. I got 5 side chicks on Tinder. Hey guys, I'm Caroline Rivers, and one time I actually did a social media campaign for a toothbrush. And you know what happened when people searched up Obamacare, like Obamacare? My toothbrush came up. Okay, that's how good I am.